There is no specific requirement in the National Electrical Code or any other building code that mandates a separation distance between sprinkler heads and light fixtures. However, some manufacturers may recommend a separation distance for specific sprinkler head models or fixture types. Some sprinkler head manufacturers recommend a 1 foot or 12-inch separation distance between sprinkler heads and light fixtures to prevent condensation from the sprinkler head from dripping onto the light fixture. The condensation from sprinkler heads is typically water vapor that condenses on the sprinkler head when it is activated, or when there is a significant temperature difference between the sprinkler head and the surrounding air. This condensation can drip from the sprinkler head and cause damage to light fixtures or other electrical components below it. While there may not be a specific code requirement for separation distance, it is generally considered good practice to maintain some separation between sprinkler heads and light fixtures to firstly, prevent damage to light fixtures from condensation, and secondly, improve access for maintenance and repair of both fixtures.